Hello everyone, thanks so much for making it to the end, and a special thank you to Qwertykeys for providing me with this review unit. The qk80 Mark II is shaping up to be another great option in the Qwertykeys lineup. While it doesn't offer quite the same amount of customization as the Neo 80, the qk80 Mark II differentiates itself with the color LCD and RGB matrix. To be honest, I don't love the idea of having a screen on my keyboard, and a few days into using it as my daily driver, I actually turned off the screen and the matrix because it just got way too distracting for me. But yes, you can in fact play Flappy Bird on the screen as advertised if you really want to do that. I built my unit with a palm plate paired with roller linear switches and SLK profile keycaps. I initially built it with ceramic caps, but I felt that these fit the aesthetic a bit better, so I went with these. For a full list of parts used in this build, please check out the video description, and for more updates on the upcoming qk80 Mark II sale, please keep an eye on the Qwertykeys website and community server, both linked in the description. Alright, that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye bye!